Hello, this is Adam with Infant Toddler Youth and Car Seat Quickie. And today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Uppababy Aria Base with the latch system. Now remember, this is just a general installation video. It may not be the same in my car as it is in yours. So always read the manual of the car seat and also the vehicle so you know you're following all the rules and making sure you're doing everything correctly. Because a safe car seat is one that you install properly and use correctly. Now, the Uppababy Aria Base does have a load leg right underneath. So before anything gets attached, we should release this. There's a button near the bottom of the leg. You're gonna push it to unlock, and we're gonna get the leg out. There are quite a few indicators on the Uppababy Base. There's a leveling device, there's a tightness indicator, and there's the indicators to let you know the leg is in the right spot. The first indicator we're gonna work with is the recline. Now on the Aria, they do have a little section here where the bubble has to be in for a newborn up to 4 months old. So we have to make sure it's within that small range there. Once the baby's over 4 months old, you are allowed to have the car seat a little more upright, and as long as it's in between the two black lines, you know the baby's in the right position. The way to see where the bubble is going to end up before you install the car seat is by making sure the chair is right up against the back of the vehicle seat, pushing down on the base. This is where it's going to be tightened from, and you can actually see where the bubble is going to end up. So right now in this recline setting, the bubble is not in the right range for a newborn. It's coming out of the 0 to 4 month range. The way to fix the angle is right on the center of the base. There's a gray trigger with an up and down arrow. If you lift that up, the bottom of the base readjusts. So you're gonna change it. You're gonna reapply weight. And now it looks like the bubble is gonna be in the right range for a newborn. So we'll leave it here for now, but we'll keep watching it. The next indicator we need to work on is the tightness indicator. As long as this window stays red, it means that the car seat is not tight enough in the vehicle. So let's get the latches out. First, we need to find where the latches are in the vehicle. In my car, there are these little buttons with a picture of a car seat, and they're showing you where the latch bar is in your vehicle. So directly below the button, there's an opening in the fabric, and right in that opening is the metal latch bar. Everything on the base is color-coded. Everything blue is for a seatbelt installation, while everything orange is for the latch installation. So in order to get the latch connectors out, we have to hold down the orange button, and there's one on each side of the base. I'm gonna hold down the right button to unlock the right side. So because I'm holding the button down, I'm able to extend the connector out. As soon as I let the button go, it's gonna start to lock. So you wanna hold the button, extend, make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled, make sure the connector is not upside down, everything should be flat free and right side up. We're gonna put this into the latch slot, we're gonna push it in, and you should hear a clicking sound to let you know it actually attached. There we go. If you want, you can kind of yank on it to make sure it is in there correctly. I'm gonna do the left side next. So hold the left button, extend out the left connector, make sure nothing is twisted or tangled, make sure it's right side up, line it up with the latch, there's the click, and it's on there. Now that both sides are connected, we're gonna make sure the base is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. And to tighten the latch, all you have to do is push down on the corners where the connectors are, and it's gonna start locking automatically. So we're gonna go from side to side, side to side. And once this window is completely green, you know it's tight enough. Making it tighter than that won't make the car seat any more safe. And if you want to do the manual test, you can use one hand. You can use either hand. Grab it from either side of the handlebar. As long as the car seat does not move more than an inch from side to side or front to back, you know it's tight enough. And it's very important to check this constantly because this can turn red and the car seat can loosen up over time because car seats absorb force, so it will naturally loosen up. So anytime you see red here, you're just gonna reapply weight so that way it keeps tightening. The place you should not be testing the car seat from is the back. This part is supposed to move. So it'll move side to side, it'll move up and down, and that's actually normal. If an accident were to happen, the car seats absorb the crash force and redistribute it. Instead of the force being released on the baby, it's released on the back here. So don't worry about the back, that's good to move. So our car seat is snug, our angle is still in the right position, so we're on the right track. The last thing we gotta do is adjust the load leg. This window here will turn green when the leg is facing the right direction. But if the leg is not facing the right direction, it's gonna be red. The leg should be facing as close to the front of the vehicle seat as possible. In order to get the red removed from the bottom of the leg, we have to extend the leg so the leg is completely flat on the floor. Right where my thumb is, there's a button. If you push the button, the leg will extend, and you're gonna pull it all the way down to the floor until you have no red showing at all. All right? Make sure that the base is always flat on the vehicle seat. The leg should not be extended enough or it's actually lifting up the back of the base. And now all of our indicators are in the right spot, so we know the car seat's installed correctly. To remove the base, all you have to do is push the red button on each connector, and it'll pop right out. So that way, if you need to remove this or move it to a different vehicle, you are able to do that. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.